stop. Do not install this recent Windows 11 update. It is specifically KB5043145. Hans over here on PC World, well, has written an article, and there's a few things that's very interesting in it. I'll be going over that with you right now. It's this one right here, and I got that today pop up. There's a new update. I'm not sure now if I'm going to update it. I usually do anyway, but there was one desperate user that wrote after installing this update and restarting. My laptop is sitting basically at the logo manufacturer's screen for 20 minutes. Pressed the power button down for 5 seconds. It restarted, it recovered, and it was okay after that. So Microsoft support is aware of this problem. So yeah, you may also need your BitLocker recovery afterwards. So be prepared for that. So not only are you going to get blue screen of death and auto repair, you could be asked for your BitLocker recovery passwords. And some people, well, they just lock the drive and they don't remember their passwords or their keys, right? So make sure you're aware of that. It's probably too late. Most people are just going tap, tap, update, and that's it. And their system is messed up. Let me know if your system is, and I'm going to actually hold off on this update for a little while and not do it, and maybe do some research. And a good place to do that will be over on Reddit and see what people are actually, talking about. Maybe it's certain systems, maybe it's just laptops. I am not sure. And maybe Microsoft has now patched this particular update, or maybe they will pull the update. We will see what happened, but I thought I would let you know about it.